Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show you how to make milkshakes at home. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, 1/2 cup of milk, and any flavorings you desire. Whole milk creates a wonderfully rich and creamy texture, but you can adjust to your preference. Having everything ready makes the blending process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get blending. Pour your 1/2 cup of milk into the blender first, followed by your 2 cups of ice cream. Start on a low speed to gently incorporate everything, then slowly increase to a higher setting. Blend for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until your milkshake reaches a perfectly smooth and thick consistency. Avoid overblending to prevent it from becoming too thin. The fun part is customizing. This is where you can truly make it your own. Consider adding a few tablespoons of chocolate syrup, a handful of fresh berries, or even crushed cookies for extra texture. If you prefer it sweeter, a tablespoon of sugar or honey can be added. Don't be afraid to experiment with various ice cream flavors and mix-ins to discover your signature shake. Your delicious homemade milkshake is ready. Carefully pour it into a tall, chilled glass. For an extra special touch, top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a bright red cherry. Serve it immediately to savor its cold, creamy goodness. A wide straw is perfect for enjoying every last drop of your perfectly crafted treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.